I was built with a heart that had room for the world, always tending the fires, the compassionate girl. I held every secret, I carried the weight, trying to keep everybody else straight. Then he crossed the line right inside of our home. My own brother's shadow left me bleeding alone. I cried out for help, but they shut down the light, swept it under the rug and kept pretending it's fine. They fixed up the picture, put the frame on the wall, acted like nothing ever happened at all, and left me to drown in the dark of the room. So I pour up a glass just to quiet the noise, to silence the fear and the ghost of his voice. You look at my anger, point a finger and say that the drink in my hand makes me act out this way. But the bottle just numbs what you force me to hold. The depression, the panic, the lies that were told. I'm drowning the trauma I hid for your grace, to keep up the lie of a normal family place. Grew into a mother with love in my veins, giving all that I have while absorbing the pain. I shield everyone else, put my feelings last, while I rot from the memories buried deep in the past. The anxiety suffocates, the anger runs deep. It's the price of the promises you made me keep. You fixed up the picture, put the frame on the wall, acted like nothing ever happened at all, and left me to drown in the dark of the room. So I pour up a glass just to quiet the noise, to silence the fear and the ghost of his voice. You look at my anger, point a finger and say that the drink in my hand makes me act out this way. But the bottle just numbs what you force me to hold. The depression, the panic, the lies that were told. I'm drowning the trauma I hid for your grace, to keep up the lie of a normal family place. Don't call me broken, don't brand me insane, when you were the ones who ignored all my pain. I drank to survive the crushing weight of the floor, where you swept all the truth behind a closed door. I hid it for your comfort, but it's killing me inside. I pour up this glass just to quiet the noise, to